one of the very important research developments, and that is building an analog space mission. And the idea is to simulate the extraterrestrial atmospheric conditions which are present in Mars and Moon. So which area do you think could be a optimum area to do this project? So the area which has been identified is the regions of Leh Ladakh. One of the basic reason is the kind of sandy and rocky structure which resembles the Martian and the lunar land. Another important criteria is the diurnal range of temperature ranging from 15 degrees Celsius to minus 10 degrees Celsius, and that change in the thermal temperatures would help the conditions very, or would create the conditions, simulate the conditions very similar to the conditions on the Martian land. Also, this would be giving us an ability to create a habitat thermal insulation. Now, it is again situated nearly 3,500 meters above sea level. That means the oxygen level is 40% at the sea level. Again, a condition which could be a simulative condition as per the land on Mars. So those were some of the criteria based on which the regions of Leh Ladakh has been chosen for this analog space mission. Now this space mission is a joint venture of ISRO, that's the Indian Space Research Organization, Aka Space Studio, University of Ladakh, IIT Bombay, and Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council. Now, the mission site, which is located in the region of Ladakh, as we said, has a unique condition which is similar to a Martian or a lunar surface, and therefore offers a natural laboratory to test the habitat sustainability, life support system, or the experiences in a Martian land. And for next 21 days across this project, the Aka Space Studio would help people reside within this habitat and provide them tools for essential research that could be done. So this idea would actually help us for better understanding of researches related to even rover mobility on a Martian land or a lunar land. So a very important development in space science, highly important for your upcoming GS prelims. We will be covering many such important sessions before your prelims examination. So stay tuned for expected questions related to your prelims and further updates. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day.